Mazinasi.
Brother.
See, I want to say something. You see this one room now where we do like this now. We don't get any other option. We're going to remain in this one room. Let's stay in this one room until we're able to, sort ourselves, raise money, come start up business. What would they do? But for now, we will just do here. They manage. I don't want you to look at it from the other side of the coin. You understand?
So, which business you could start like this now?
I never think of any business for now, but let's just give me some time. Let me strategize. Let me just work with let me get in touch with my brain. Then we can now know what to do this thing. Food there.
Food for where? For house where we pack yesterday night.
I don't understand. When we pack come this house, then one or someone no cook.
You need money for food. If I forget to tell you, I'm not carrying anything to come. No gas, nothing, no plates, nothing there for you. Apart from this bed and our clothes.
I don't understand. Did I not tell you when we are packing? Didn't I tell you to put it inside keke? You mean to tell me that you forgot, you left all those things there?
Now old life, now new life won't begin now.
Okay, now new life won't begin with waiting. See, let me tell you. Are you trying? You were going to leave that in that place. What's in your sense they tell you? Say if you want to cook, we'll use solar to cook it. Or if you want to cook, we'll go and sun it. Sun will not cook it for us. See, let me tell you, Masinachi, here that we are in this one room now, we are here for management. First thing tomorrow morning, go make sure say you carry keke, go bring those things. You hear me?
I will try. Give me transfer money now. Okay.
I should give you transfer money. What is the distance from that trek? It is high time now for you to begin to flaunt yourself for all these big men. Oh. I'm telling you. Which one is high? I thought by now you would have finished picking that beans. Yeah? You are here. Look at you. Stand up, pick up. Go and make sure you pick all those beans. Pick them completely. If I make sure no stone is left, let me not be eating that beans now. Pick it very, very well. Eh? I'm going out now, but I'll be back in a jiffy. Make sure before I come back, everything is ready. Yeah?
Where are you going to?
Let me go and see if I can see 1 or 2 jobs to do. Because normally it is from the job. Small work while they collect. Now they take the small money, they will take the feed. You understand? So I said, let me go out and go and see if I can see one. Yeah? Because before I come back, make sure the beans. If you see rice, add some more rice inside so that the taste will come out. I don't take rice and beans play. The sweet is really different. So good.
We are take care. Let me go.
It's okay. Don't forget to fetch water. There's no water there. Don't forget to fetch water. Yeah?
I'll do that.
Use the other bucket. The other one, the hand is spoiling already. Use the other one.
What's happening?
Wait, this is not the. Come, did you adjust this spanner?
I gave you screwdriver.
Which one you gave me screwdriver? They put this in the enter again. They tell me, say, did you adjust this screwdriver? I don't even know what's going on here.
Twist them, wait, twist them.
Go find me 17, this thing. Go and get me 17 spanner.
Where that one did? I never heard that one before now.
You never hear 17? Since when you come to this place, you never hear 17 spanner.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oga mechanic.
Yeah, my brother.
You don't see the problem.
I never see the problem. Now the problem I see they look for like this. You understand? Sometimes like this, when the person they walk your motor, guy, you go to your house, sit down. No, they show your face anyhow. Yeah? I don't know that your face. They show. I make me never see this problem.
How my face won't take the problem?
Honestly, make I tell you. Truth be told, you saw this kind of cars where they get this kind of big problem. If you carry this car, come. What you need to do now to go house? Because the moment we the fleet, you come here every time, you go make somebody no go fit know the problem of the car. You know, say everything. I go home, relax yourself. By the time I discover the problem, I will call you, make you come. You understand?
No wahala. No no talk say na my face dey make you no see the problem.
Go now.
Oga, who knows?
Now when you no do your work well, you go complain.
When you don't come, we no do am. You know say we no do am.
No wahala.
Stop showing face.
No wahala. They come later now.
You say?
Later.
If you come tomorrow or next tomorrow,
Okay.
give us time.
Ejike, you safe. What is holding you from moving that note from this guy?
To decrease, maybe the note that they look for how to lose them. Maybe they ask you whether you are just this fan. He say no. Which one do what am I? No, they speak English for you.
I want to ask one question. I've noticed something. We used to have more customers than other mechanics. Why?
Masinachi, now one comes you're talking into my ear, and this way they talk now they distract me. As in distracting me, how I want to concentrate, go look for what they do this motor. Leave me, let me concentrate. You talk into my ear.
No vex, concentrate. Try removing these notes.
I tell you, go use them.
I know if you do them now, no be your work.
I don't understand. Which one you know the job?
I know.
Use it, use it now.
No vex.
Advisor. Oh no, leave me, let me concentrate. Check whether that guy don't go far before we do this. Do you know what is going to happen now? Go and get Jack. Come and jack this motor up.
Jack,
maybe,
how?
I'm sure the problem is under. Go and jack this motor up.
Check on that. Make a help you. Do am.
Miss Nachi, the most beautiful girl in the world.
Stop it now. You scared me.
I'm the only one in the house.
I'm the only one in the house.
So why are you afraid? How are you now?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Miss Nachi, see, let me tell you this thing. It has been bothering me since. I really like you. I want me to know you be girlfriend or boyfriend.
Girlfriend or boyfriend? No, now why would you say it to me like that? If my brother hears this, you'll be in trouble.
I'm not hearing you today concerning your brother. Oh, okay, should I tell him that I love you?
Don't you know we have neighbors around?
Babe.
If you hear this from your mouth, don't tell my brother. What's wrong with you?
What's going on there?
The church.
The church. I can see. St. Patrick Anglican Church. St. Stephen Anglican Church. Anglican Church. What's going on here? What are you telling my sister?
This is church.
You're telling my sister Brother Chikudo. I said what are you telling my sister Brother Chikudo? What's the one you're telling my sister Brother Chikudo? Okay, now what were you telling my sister?
Brother, calm down. We were just discussing.
Okay, you were telling her Brother Chikudo, calm down. You were just discussing. You are discussing with my sister. You're telling me Udo the one you are telling me you're discussing with my sister. You are discussing with my sister. Perhaps on the political matters. Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. Papa Belewa, you are discussing on the progress of the country. Obinna, I have warned you time without the law. Why am I even calling you Obinna? You're a doctor. What is the difference between you and this GP tank here? You're looking at the GP tank, your resemblance. You see the difference? Did you see any difference? Obinna, GP tank, I have warned you time without a number. Stay away from my sister, that nothing. You don't hear. Let me not see you again anywhere because I know you. The other day I saw the way you were looking at my sister's waist. Of course, you lick tongue. I have just mentioned my sister's waist now. You're giggled. It is sweet in your body. The way I saw you, the way you were looking at her, I know your plan. Obinna. And you, Mukem. Drop that broom and go inside.
But I'm not done sweeping yet.
You're not done sweeping yet? You dey craze? I said, drop that broom and go inside. Let me continue from where you stop.
No, you're my elder brother. I cannot watch you sweep. Come on, go now. Let me do what I'm doing. Now leave me alone.
You don't go, idiot. You don't go. So anytime I go out to go and hustle, you dey here dey hustle. Give me the broom, let me sweep. Let me continue.
Let me go and buy something for you.
For where? For where? Masinachi. Let me go and buy something. The same road opening in the past. That's the road you want to go and buy something. All of a sudden, Masinachi, you never know that to go. Who give you money?
My change.
Okay, now I'm showing you your change. It's okay, go and collect the change.
Thank you.
Are you crazy? Are you your father? No, my papa. Nonsense! All of a sudden now you want to go and buy something. The same way we've been in the past. This girl never tell me what they have proposed. Come, before you become pregnant in this house, it's better for me to take you back to the village. I'm telling you. As for that one, is that okay? Come, boot, there, Maserati.
Oga, why they talk to me like this now?
You don't crazy? Why would I talk to you like that? Do you look like somebody who have sense? How can you come here now to come and teach me my work? Do you know how many years I've done mechanic work? You are here telling me what trying to teach me my competence. Me who don't do mechanic work even before when you suck with the bottle. You came here to come and embarrass me or what? Let me tell you. If I tell you the number of cars where I don't do as a mechanic, you don't believe them. There's no point of car where I never do. Yeah. I have done car to the point where they call me to come and do ship when they drive for inside water.
Not true.
Do you know how many companies from abroad who don't come and say, come and stay with us and be manufacturing motors? You're here talking nonsense. Because of this common kabu-kabu you can't come here.
Now, can't they call kabu-kabu?
It's worse than kabu-kabu.
Can't they call kabu-kabu?
This your car is worse than kabu-kabu.
I don't blame you.
No, bros, I beg. No, you come and follow my Oga talking now. See, Oga, this your car gets spiritual problem. See, your car is outdated. If I be here, carry this car go through for dustbin.
Of course. You see what they talk? Are you hearing the voice? This your car. See motor you can't come here. Motor will say all the whole nuts don't want out finish. Look at your tire. Everything here worn out.
No worry.
You're here talking nonsense.
Carry on. In the evening I will come back. In the evening I will come back.
You even get sense. In the evening you will come back.
Try.
No sense. Come, see what I tell you. Masinachi. Do you know you're the cause of this problem?
How are they?
Now you never find the fault for this motor.
Which can't talk that one, brother?
Which can't talk that one?
But see, make we just talk the truth. You know, Sabi do any work. You know, Sabi do any work.
He said,
but you know, Sabi this mechanic.
Yeah, Masinachi, shut up your mouth because if you talk any further nonsense now, I will use this prayer.
So because see, I dey gist you. Now why you not do this car well now?
Yes, Masinachi. Before you said not Sabi work.
Yes.
Masinachi, before you started coming to this place, have I ever returned to home and tell you that customer complained that I didn't do his car well?
But I know Sabi this work past you, but I don't want to show myself.
You don't want to show yourself?
Yes.
Masinachi, since you begin to come here, now I begin to lose concentration. Do you know what? After school, don't come here again. Stay.
No, I won't become mechanic for future. I know you go stay at home.
You say?
I won't be mechanic for future.
You won't be mechanic for future? Okay, maybe from a workshop. Now for future, you won't become mechanic.
For yeah.
Oh boy, let me tell you.
Who be your boy? I resemble boy for your eye.
You.
I resemble boy for your eye.
Master, you're behaving like a boy. You. I'm telling you because the way you're behaving now, you're behaving like a boy. You're not behaving like my junior sister that I used to know.
But I see this customer will come up now. The guy be like, "Person will get anger issue. Maybe we just do this man cap. Make carry go.
Go and watch that this thing.
Watch waiting.
Watch the carburetor.
What think carburetor because?
Me say where they say I know where he dey. Where I say me go watch am. Go and watch the carburetor. Carburetor dey under the carburetor dey. Go and watch the carburetor.
See, if you like say we go wash inside and outside the car, you go bend and take the force from under. Make I take.
Okay, do you know what is going to happen?
What will happen?
Watch the expansion valve.
Expand, give me.
Expansion valve. I don't even know. You don't know what about the talk say. What's the expansion valve?
Maybe we go.
Okay, do you know what is going to happen?
What's happen?
Watch the Coca-Cola panel.
What if you all this now?
Coca-Cola panel.
Ejike and his sister Ejike and his sister to give them one.
NEPA people brought bill and I have divided the bill. So each and every one of us will pay 10,000 naira.
Comfort.
Ejike.
Comfort.
Ejike.
Talk now. Which one be comfort?
Which kind of nonsense be that one? Somebody call your name. Is that hard to answer name? If they call your name, you go and call the person name back. That's what I do for you.
Oya talk.
Comfort. I feel ask you a question.
Go ahead.
This 10,000 naira. When you say make everybody pay. When you say everybody will be paid. Everybody will no verse. Now for old bill, I mean a new bill.
It's an old bill. Any problem?
Old bill. Guys, as I dey like this, why I newly pack into this compound. If they tell me say make I go pay bill, let me tell you, I cannot vomit what I did not eat.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
You dey mad? Which one you don't understand?
What you're saying is what I don't understand.
What I'm saying is what you don't understand.
Yes.
What I'm saying is that this money when I say make everybody pay. I am not going. When I don't include me for this payment, you people cannot drag me to come and pay what I did not eat. Simple.
Anyway, you are now included, yeah? You have heard her. she has divided the money into 10. As in 10,000 at everybody.
Yes.
And you're going to pay yours. When I park enter this compound, there was an accumulated bills. And I paid mine. Now it is your turn. You are going to pay it.
Teresa, look my face, look your own. We resemble.
God forbid. We can't.
You are right. God forbid. So meaning say you be yourself, I be myself. What you pay, I may not want to pay it. So that money, I no go pay them. And you people are not going to drag me to pay what I did not consume. Simple.
After brother, you are a mechanic. You cannot pay common 10,000. You will pay.
Wait. So you be broke man, but your mouth is sharp by everybody for this compound.
Guys.
I'm sure the day where landlord give you this house, 2 things or 3 things one happen. It's either you come here, you use juju, put adult for the man eye, the man they look one grown-up human being, he carry the house, go give one grown-up human being. Or you told the man that your prayers are coming, you just want to come and pay. Or that day say the man drink, high, you don't know what they do. That was why. Normally, you're supposed to point a house, point children department for you. That's where you're supposed to go and stay. You know they talk nonsense.
Children department, but she's paying her own 10,000. Pay your own.
I don't pay. When I come drag me, make I come pay.
You will pay. You must pay for that money. You will pay. You see that NEPA bill? You're going to pay.
See, if you don't pay this money, I'm not going to make this compound be comfortable for you.
Yes.
Bet me.
Look at you. I know your spiritual power, so I know what you can do. I went to my village to go and fortify myself. I met with Akatambo. Akatambo fortified me against you. So if you can't come for spirit, I did the already. I am waiting for you because I was fortified beyond your consumption. So there's nothing they can do to me. You hear me?
I will keep what I'm good for you.
Me?
I will keep better sharp and good for you that let me see how you use this your nonsense leg to waka and go to
You will suffocate too. Let me tell you, Akatambo is going to make you Akatambo that turn you now, mamu.
We are not afraid of you that you are Akatambo. Both of you cannot do anything. You will pay that money.
We cannot do anything.
Yes.
It's okay. I am talking and you are busy romancing in my way before, you are romancing my sister. And the Masinachi, you didn't even make a noise.
No,
you didn't even raise alarm that nobody was touching you. You were comfortable. After that, you are going back to the village. If I want your baby for a man, come, go also. Village.
Are you not useless? You are here talking. As a man, you can't even do anything. You can't even talk.
I beg, make una avoid me for this compound. She says when I talk, I no great talk. Make una avoid me for this compound. I beg una. I beg.
Look at this idiot. Look at this one. Make your life love romantic. And you never even establish yourself. Idiot.
Oh, Peter, what is it now? What is it?
Ma, how are you now?
I'm fine. How are you?
Omalija, smile Kwanu.
Stop calling me Omalija. See, if my brother hear you calling me that name, he's going to be angry. You know how angry he gets easily.
Ma, see, I don't want you anything to concern your brother. No, I love you. How can you tell this thing? I love you.
You love you. You are not my type. You don't have money. A poor person and a poor person cannot marry. You understand? I need somebody in a higher level. Not you. You are too broke. You are too poor.
Wow. But is it your brother is going to get married to you? Isn't that somebody that will still get married to you?
Let that person come. That person will be a very rich man, not a poor low life like you. See, I don't want to start sounding. Oh man, I want marry from a poor family.
Brother. What are you, brother? What are you doing here, Mama?
It's not you. You have been following me from that. I'm telling you to leave me alone. You have been following my back up and down.
You've been telling him. Probably you were telling him in French. That was why he was not understanding. You are owing her. I heard when she was advising you, telling you that the poor cannot be called the poor. Meaning that she's trying to tell you that you are a wretched woman being. That will not enter your ear. She even told you to describe the kind of a man that she wants into her life. That will not enter your ear. How else should she tell you that you're a poor, wretched idiot? Oga, let me tell you, I'm a car job. Oga, I'm a car job. I don't want to again see you anywhere close to my sister. Let today be the first and the last time I will see you close to my sister. Because if I see you, look at you now. I I know very well when you look at yourself at the mirror, you see yourself as a chocolate. But let me tell you, you're a Daktan. You are a Daktan. Now you're a Daktan. By the time I finish dealing with you, you no longer recognize yourself. So respect yourself. If I ever again see you anywhere 100 meters close to Masinachi, I will deal with you. I will deal with you and my car jog. I'm a good give more pay. You will die and go and rest. You hear me so?
Yeah, you.
Good. Where do you say you're going?
I just want to buy something from that shop, pay it for there.
Okay, you're no longer coming from this way, going to this way. All of a sudden now you want to go back and buy something here now. Awashi, formerly you said you are coming from like this, going to this way. Now all of a sudden now you want to buy something here. Perhaps you are coming from this way now and going to buy something like this. Come in and get out. And you, where you go?
I'm going to the market.
You're going to the market. You have two choice. Either you give me to go and buy, or you go and buy what? If I go like go.
Go and buy.
Go. Okay, want to follow? Go and buy something. I will stand here and wait your arrival. Let me now see how you are going to connive. That's in Juko. Let me see how people are going to come to Jukos. Hey, continue. This boy Obinna. And you call you Obinna. You don't want to behave like Obinna. You want to behave like Obinna. Anywhere you look yourself in the mirror, you think you are a chocolate in color. You are Daktan. But no problem. Let me see how you people are going to. They are family mango. Give me water, let me drink. Give me water, drink like crazy.
Ejike and his sister Ejike and his sister You give them one them go give you double. And if you give them work.
But what I want to ask is it not wickedness? Why are we even carrying this meeting come in your mouth? Why are we not supposed to take this meeting in a central place, even if they are afraid of my own mouth? Why didn't you bring this meeting to a central place?
I came first before you.
And so
okay, now seniority in tenancy, now they do.
You think I'm your mate? Eh?
I don't say you're not my mate. Physically and spiritually, you're not my mate. Anyway, that one aside. Biko, I want to ask you, comfort. If you are not wicked, if it is not wickedness, tell me why you will tell me to come and pay for what I did not use.
Educate is you that is wicked. Yes, you are very wicked.
over wicked.
Why are you not doing what others are doing in this compound?
Damn, me show me ever. How dare you speak to my brother like that? He's your mate.
See, I will transfigure your face so.
You transfigure
To your own. You transfigure her face to your own transfigured face. Relax yourself, Masinachi. This person, she's right. Let me tell you. It's all this nonsense you are talking. Tell me what you gonna make me compound. How many weeks ago I entered this compound? I don't know I want to consume the NEPA bill. And you had effrontery to tell me to come and pay for a NEPA bill that I did not consume. Are you not wicked? Are you not heartless?
You are the one who is wicked. See, let me tell you that I'm keeping quiet no means say I'm calm. Do you hear that? Stop insulting her now. We were only asked to pay the one that you're owing, and you're here making maths. What you did not use? Who used it? He did not use anything. You wickedness.
Teresa.
You are the one who is wicked. You are the one who is wicked. You are the one who is wicked. And something is wrong with both of you. So pay the light. Pay the light. Stop calling my name.
Teresa, you don't ever ask yourself why you never married. Common sense, have you ever? Common sense don't tell bad character to make you no go marry for your life.
And which one goes?
See the way you're talking to a full-fledged, you don't even do you know if I'm going to consider you or not?
God forbid.
You don't even talk to me with respect. Let me tell you, Teresa, you're the one that something is wrong with. Something is wrong with you because when they pursue you for Orile, when they do I say, was I the person that go and gossip to the landlord say you dey fight customers? Not the association. Drive you come out. Okay, let me tell you. You telling me to go and pay for what I did not use.
Okay, no problem.
Are you not
We are going to cut his lights.
Yes. We are doing that. You think I cannot
You will go and do your work. So you are a mechanic. You dey do mechanic. Come on, mechanic. That's why I'm not here to be in this compound. If God makes you to start working in an oil company, you for don't run come out.
Let me tell you what you don't know. My father was a hunter. And as a hunter, there is this grasshopper that is as big as you are. My father used to use leg to match it. And I practice it. If I see you anywhere close to my NEPA light, I will consider you in chi. I will use leg and kill you. I'm telling you.
I'm going.
Somebody will see you. Wait, now you go climb.
I go cut them. Don't you know I read electrical engineering.
You blew them. Let me tell you. Going to cut my light is not going to be my problem. My only problem is when I see you on top of that place, you look like a bed. You look like a bed on top of the pole. And you know, bed, you can only use catapult to shoot down a bed. I will use catapult and bring you down. So respect yourself.
Let's bet. See this one. I'll match you. I'll match you down.
With which hand?
What is your problem?
As he touch my hand, she as strong like engine block.
He's not strong. Come out your hand.
If I see you, any of you, close to that place, if I don't use my mechanic hand to beat the hell out of you, you na beat I go beat you. You na catapult I go take shoot you come off for that place like Wanza. Go climb.
Come on, mechanic. Person cannot use.
You're
going to cut the hair. Don't worry.
I'm saying they can
Pump the brake.
Don't give them chance, else they go
I
make you
don't need another tool for this electrical side.
You dey press pump brake. Wetin concern tools concern pump brake? Pump the brake. You don't know how to brake?
The brake dey very hard. It's not this one.
You dey want that? See, I say my pump. Now the first one you dey pump, the second one. The last one, the first one. Brake. Which one? Now the first one. Now you go match.
Look back.
Look back. I don't look back. Is that?
Look back.
Okay, okay. Have you reached my car? Now the Ford now we still dey fine. As she be go here when I dey tell my sister, my apprentice say make he check the listing.
What do you mean by that? You know, this motor have been here for 2 weeks, and you are still telling me that you are still searching for fraud. Why?
Okay, it be like a sentence you want to use me and do. I dey here I tell you say we still dey search for the listing. You can't begin to sentence
for more than 2 weeks. So, are you not a mechanic?
If I'm a mechanic, okay, this is your motor. The fault already this your motor. If you think say it is easy, this fault already this motor. If you think it is easy, why didn't you do it in your house? Why you know that your house work am? You can't come here. The time you say 2 weeks, this one.
Okay, you will get patient too, yes. Because the fault wey dey for this oka dey too much. It dey very critical. In fact, this oka fit dey for 2 years.
Huh?
2 years.
Patience? I should have patience for more than 2 weeks.
Which one be for more than 2 weeks? Okay, let me tell you, this your bongo cigar wey carry park here. If I tell you, I have big cars bigger than this your own wey don park here for 2 months, 3 months, even getting to 1 year. You can't be saying that this your nonsense bongo cigar wey dey here for 2 weeks. Now you dey complain.
Oga, don't insult me.
Oga, now you don't insult yourself.
Don't insult me.
Now you insult yourself. Which one be don insult you? Oga, I don't talk nonsense. Know wetin you dey talk. Oh boy, match the break make I know wetin dey happen.
I'm talking to you and you are saying.
Okay, this man, a man dey tell say I be mechanic. I dey craze like you. Oga, I dey craze like you. I dey tell you, I go enter you. If I enter you, you no go remain. I dey tell you, make I go to church. No, come on. If like how these people, because they put high class, your man dey tell you say,
by the time I'm done with you. By the time I'm done with you. If you see any other person on the road, you're wrong.
See this one, say, if I see another person on the road, I will run.
Yes. By the time I'm done with you, don't worry.
Come carry this rat come up from this our shop.
But you do know that some people don't dey grateful. Even the security, we supposed to even charge this one for security. For this one to don't park here for 2 weeks, you don't even pay security. Oh boy, come. Oh boy.
Who be oh boy? They call me girl.
Why did they behave like a boy and a girl now? Look at when you begin behave like girl, like they call you girl.
See,
that's why I say make you pump a brake. What you go to pump? Because I don't go to that's the way you pump now. All you going to come up for here.
Okay. Now the carburetor side get issue.
You know the pump carburetor. Who say make pump carburetor? I say pump brake. You know the pump carburetor. They are up on the motor. Anything will happen to this motor. Nishing gone.
The brake don't come out to. Yes,
put them back.
How they put them back?
You need this? Show me my door very open. Let any of you get mine the entire say you go cut my neighbor, my light. If the person don't go visit the ancestor, call me bastard.
Ejika, are you threatening us?
I didn't threaten you. If I want to threaten, I threaten living things, not a non-living thing like you. What I'm speaking is mortuary. If any of you doubt me, let the person enter here. Let me see how you succeed.
Ejike,
okay.
Enough of this your nonsense. You cannot enter here and be causing commotion every time for us. What is it? See, I'm going to report you to the landlord. Mind yourself. So, go and cut his light.
What are you waiting for? Why have you not gone to report to the landlord? What are you still waiting for? Go and tell landlord, nah. Why you want to? See, let me tell you, I don't even blame you. Because looking at you alone, you look like a Congolese pig. You look like a Congo pig. That is why you don't have sense. So why am I attending to you? No sense.
Congo pig, no sense. But I'm very much better than you. Look at you. You look like roasted yam. Monkey.
At least roasted yam, people they chop them. Add it small oil, you will eat it with a little pepper.
Nobody
you eat and enjoy. You understand me?
See. God. Okay, GK. Why do you like problem? Let us behave like one family and do this thing and go. Let us behave like brothers.
Who's your brother? Are you do I look like your brother? Look your face, look my face. Do we have the same face? You have a couple face like a couple radio, and you're telling me I'm your brother. Look at you. Obviously, I know you. Don't forget that I know you. You're a he goat on a heat period. A he goat that is always on a heat period, looking for a way to come and defile my sister. Obviously, you want to defile my sister. So when others are talking, shut up your mouth.
Okay, GK, I'm not insult you. Why they insult me?
I insulted you. Look at my cheeks, sir. Do you know what? This meeting is over. Everybody should go.
It is not about you. It's not about you.
Oga, I don't like problem. I need the musobu here. Why they make a cut and they go?
See there.
Now pay the penny.
See there. Go and cut it. We have paid him. Let him go and cut the light.
Enter. Do you think I'm turning the starting of the
Don't make it his let him go and cut the light.
Enter here.
Tell him that you are a man.
Who is it? Did I deceive you?
Hi, my pikin.
This one is trying to deceive you. You don't know. You should enter like a man.
See, anytime when I settle, when I come office, this thing like I know to survive for this compound. Come.
Our refund.
The refund when I don't pay, this one I don't pay. If I settle, when I come.
Go to the work. What is the work we pay you for?
You talk.
Insole I go on.
Now you want sorry.
Insole I go on again.
And now
You can't
you
wait me.
Go and do your work.
Wait, mama, stop dragging me like that. Wait, take plier. Go cut. You know go leave ladder. Anytime we cut them, go, I go carry you. Go, I go carry you.
This one.
I will use this on you. I will use it on you. I will use this on you. You think I'm joking?
It's not better for you. Sure, you know that.
No, we have what is this?
Look at so when they do prayer for betterment, you go come aside. Oga landlord, you understand? Listen, make it not like say na me dey listen. As I park enter this place, you never took the why park come.
Yes.
Now they come talk say they shine levy of 10,000 naira. Say me I go pay. I say what you go make me pay 10,000 naira levy for NEPA bill? NEPA light wey be say una consume. I know they want una consume the light. When I say make I pay 10,000 naira, oga landlord before you know it. Na so comfort and Teresa here with other people wey dey this compound begin dey quarrel me o. You go dey quarrel me and say why? Oga landlord to let this thing.
Is it true?
Yes, Oga landlord, not true.
You cannot you pay for the light that is not used.
Oga landlord, your head dead here.
Which kind of head there? Oga landlord, he has to pay the money. He has. Oga landlord, see, when I park come here, I pay for the accumulated bills that I met. So it is now his own turn. In fact, as it stands now, Comfort has paid 10,000. I have paid. Obinna here has paid. It's only him now. He has to pay his own. Are you?
Look at you.
See this one. Are you?
Landlord has spoken. Why they are Otobo? Close your mouth.
You are the one who is Otobo. Look at you that look like unfinished food.
You know, close your mouth.
It's okay. I don't want problem. What I need is peace. Leave him. He did not use the light. My house is my house. Just leave it.
One bottle beer for you. Everyone cheap bottle beer.
This is not it, though. This is not
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Landlord has spoken.
Where are you going to go?
Now you get out.
It is not working because I have paid my own. Comfort, she went to work. She has paid. Obinna has paid. It's only his one that is wearing. So we cannot do it that way. He will pay.
Leave him. I don't want problem.
It's okay.
What is
if like tell you to quick notice gonna go message.
It is you that the landlord is going to give that quick notice. You are the one who landlord is going to.
Bia, Masinachi.
Brother.
Sit down. Bia, Masinachi. I want to warn you vividly. I in this world, I don't want you to play with it. You see that lady called their comfort and every other person in this compound. I want you to fly away from them. Don't go. Those people you are looking at, they are witches and wizards. That one they call Obinna. Any day in your dream, in your imagination, I see you anywhere close to that boy, I will skin you alive. I will not only skin you alive, I will send you back to the village. Did you hear me?
But then why you sounding like I'm the one throwing myself at them? They're the ones coming to meet me now. I have nothing to do with them.
Continue being on your own. Did you hear me? If not that the landlord interfered, those crooks would have collected 10,000 naira from me. You understand? Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. Go and continue. Prepare me food to eat. Make sure it is hot too. Go.
Okay, brother.
Nonsense people want to come and take me and play.
Comfort. Do you know, I have not seen a man as useless as Ejike. Fermenting trouble every day. What kind of man is Ejike?
Not only even useless. He's a poor man, an arrogant man.
You are accepting.
You are talking about marriage. Which woman would marry that kind of man? That a fool.
Hey, even with
that and come market day. You see what that man did?
But show me about what is it now? What's wrong with you? I heard everything. I heard what you said about my brother. Look at you. Say which woman will marry him. Which man will marry you? Which man? You. Look at you. Disadvantage like you. Look at you.
You will fall like tomorrow, not day.
You are close to your grave. Oh. You think you are still young? You are close to your grave. Keep on talking about a man that can marry anytime he wants you. Any man that will settle with you, maybe third or fourth wife. That's what you end up. That's the only thing.
You are useless. It is your entire generation that is close to his grave.
Bam.
Do you hear me?
Yes. Look at for your mind. You think my brother senior you? Look at you. All for nothing. I pity you. You're not even close to 50 yet, and wrinkles already all over your face. I pity you. I pity you.
Are you not useless? Go and let Obinna continue to useless you.
Wait. She's senior your brother. And your brother is like that. See,
so you're not suffering. And your clothes are already oversized.
She is looking beautiful.
I'm looking beautiful.
She is what? See, I'm not sure it is God that created you. Who are your ancestors? I'm not sure it's my God that created you. Because you are not wonderfully made at all.
Look at this wasted product.
You are wasted product. I don't see you.
You are wasted product. Go, let Obinna continue to useless you.
Ask Obinna. Obinna is the one moving himself around me.
Which you will telling him. You will see chop breakfast.
Hot girl like me. It's not my type. All the men moving around me, they are senators.
It's not your type. And they marry everywhere.
It's not true. You saw her that day.
Not true. I saw her that day now.
I pity you. She didn't talk you. They short. I pity you. She they use you. She they use you.
Don't you know you are so good? You know that don't be like
look at you. Use some products.
Not a wasted product already. Don't mind her. Mugu.
This guy is very stupid though. I'll beat her one day.
She gets that man like her brother Ejike. Very bad man.
Walking problems, personified danger. Trouble on 2 feet like a fatal stranger. Ejike and the sister, they are full of anger. Compound wahala tenants in danger. Now we shall walk what them never do. They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they we go chook our head. As far as money they we go chook our head. Ejike and the sister Ejike and the sister you give them one them go give you double. And if you give them work you are in a big trouble. No give them chance else that go make you dance. So Ejike and his sister, they are full of anger. Beginning day out, now so wahala. Compound wahala, oh, they dance in danger.
Masinachi.
Now, what is this now? I didn't tell of following you up and down. I don't have something reasonable to do with your life. Huh?
Now, Masinachi, I know that you love me. All these things are just because of your brother. Eh?
And we tell you I love you.
You say love is in the eyes of the beholder.
I am the beholder. See, even if I love you, my brother will not accept. I don't know what to do.
This your brother, this your... Oh, yeah, see, what if I go and make money so we can leave this place?
Which place?
This compound.
No, well, I cannot live anywhere with you. Instead, carry that money and convince my brother that you are capable of taking good care of me.
Oh, that one go long. My brother is too stubborn.
He's not stubborn. He's just trying to be protective. Finish.
I mean, this brother. Eh? Someone cannot have chance to express love. I see this fine girl. Ma.
Jack of all trades, master of none. They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they get, we go chook our head. As far as money they get, we go chook our head.
Mesama, what took you so long?
Brother, it's Obinna.
Obinna? What did Obinna do?
I'm walking out of the compound. He came and started holding my hand.
Obinna held your hand?
Yes.
Touched your body?
Yes.
After all the warning that I gave you to Obinna. Obinna went as far as going to... It's like that boy Obinna. If I go back to that house and meet Obinna, two things, one will happen. Is I don't Obinna back out of that compound and you go and visit his ancestors. No jokes about it. That I told Obinna not to touch you again. Obinna went as far as touching you. Obinna has touched the lion by the tail. Do you know what is going to happen? Relax yourself. Give me the food you brought. Go and change into your working clothes. By the time I get home, Obinna will see the other side of me. Give me. I hope you put enough stew.
Yes. But there's no meat, though. No enough meat.
No meat?
Yes.
Go there and buy me egg. No problem. I will use egg and eat it. Obinna went as far as right the effrontery to go and touch you. After telling Obinna not to. Go and change your uniform. Go there and buy me egg. Do you still have some change?
No, I don't have change.
I'm going to give you.
But you're owing me.
Don't worry yourself. I will use I will eat from the see stew. You can make stew. You understand? Don't worry about meat. I will take from the other meat I ate and then use it. I assume that I'm eating meat. The last time I ate enough meat. Obinna went as far as touching you. That boy he don't have sense. But I'll show him pepper. Don't worry. Do quick. Go and buy me this thing. Go. I tell you will. Let me know go and pour this too. Yeah, how did you put this too? Yeah, Obinna. 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 Okay, Jike. Wait, what? You want to break my fire your father? Sorry. You're going to do anything but son of your father. Obinna, so in here, the father, I want to strike you dog. I said, dog, I just want to do this to
What is happening?
Obinna, your father is happening. Your father is happening. Shut up your mouth. Obinna, so after I warned you not to go close to my sister, I warned you spiritually that I will attack you spiritually. You thought it was an empty threat. You went ahead to go close to my sister. You know the fear. When I told you I will deal with you spiritually, you thought I was joking with you or what? Obinna, you thought it was an empty threat. Respect yourself. Respect yourself, Obinna.
Ma, did you tell brother that I came to disturb you again?
Yes, you heard my hand earlier today when I was going to see him in his workshop.
You hear him?
I wasn't telling you to leave me alone.
Ejike is a lie. I was only asking her where she was going to with full flags.
As what? As what? You were then asking her where was she going to? As what? Her guardian angel. Her protector. I gave her into your hand to take care of. That was why when she was leaving, you wanted to know where she was going. Oh, young. Let me tell you, all of you in this compound, let all of you do witches and wizards in this compound take care of. Mind your businesses. Where my family is, where my family is. And again, all witches and wizards. When I hear something like
Hey! Ejike, I hope I am not the one you are referring as witch and wizard. Eh?
You're worse than a witch, oh. Me calling you a witch, you're supposed to buy me beer. Because I promoted you. You're worse than a witch. You're a wizard. You're a vampire. So then I called you a wizard, you're supposed to buy me a drink.
Ejike, mind yourself. Mind your words. See, I know you're looking for my trouble in this compound. The day I will handle you, I swear your village people, they will not recognize you. I'm telling you that. Mind your words because, see, anyway, I know you're looking for my trouble.
Please, Fatty Bomb, don't talk to your brother like that. He's not your mate.
Look at this little mosquito. Am I here to banter words with you? See, let me tell you. Don't you ever talk to me again. I'm not your mate.
You're the grace.
You are the witch in this compound though.
Yes.
You are the witch.
And the wizard.
Do you know what you look like? Should I bring mirror for you? You are the witch.
Look at this one that is created in the image of feeding bottle.
Jesus.
You're the grace. You even get mad to return.
Can you imagine?
You even talking. The day I came to look for house here, when I heard your voice from inside, when I was shouting landlord, I heard your voice I was even thinking, I said, why is the landlord daughter talking to me anyhow? I didn't even know it was an adult like you. And you have not to talk. Shut up your mouth and let me talk to human beings. Because looking at you alone, you're worse than a witch. Because nobody
is a witch. What is this?
Nobody can identify your age. Up, you are old. Down, you're small. So you're in confusion in the land of the living.
That is your problem. You just pack it, you don't begin to find trouble everywhere, up and down. Jealous, that be your problem.
I know you. I know you.
What do you know?
You do hustle for a bamboo. Retired as shower.
Yes.
Is it because I didn't tell landlord?
That is me now.
Look at you. Of course you're fine. In the kingdom of witches and wizards, you are fine where you came from. Because where you came from, people are like this. You can't be more than like that.
Don't mind me.
From today, let nobody come close to me and my. In fact, anything that concerns my family, you people should stay away. I'm telling you, I won't say it again for the last time.
Who wants to have something to do with you and your family? Who wants to have something with you and your family?
Let me tell you. Any day I see you anywhere close to my sister. If you're trying to talk to my sister, if I don't deflect you, come in number.
You will not do anything. You are nothing but a firewood.
It's all this is.
You will not do anything.
All this is you carry on your chest. You think you have enough? If I catch them, I will deflect them.
If they jealous you, you don't carry am. You cannot have it.
Look at you are not shaking them. If any of them fall out of the chamber and enter my mouth, you look for it.
I cannot give it to you.
I don't even need it.
You don't even deserve it.
I don't even need it.
You don't deserve it.
If I need a breast that is big, I'll go and look for breast that is standing, not this one that is already. Your breast have no esteem. But no matter how it is, if you send them, any of them fall out of the chamber and enter my mouth, if I don't swallow it, come in number.
It cannot enter your mouth. I know you are jealous. You don't deserve it. I will not give it to you.
I don't even need it.
I will not give it to you now.
You are jealous because your sister don't have it. Yes, you are jealous. She don't have it.
She cannot have it.
Look at this one.
Yes.
She cannot.
Look at this one. You are proud of your breast. It don't make sense. But even if you take grow as a human being, you go back and keep for here. Flesh is not supposed to take grow as a human being, you go back for chest. And you're happy about it. You don't make sense. Which one is like true? Let me tell you, you're in trouble to a man though. I pity the man that is going to marry you. I wonder how you and the man is going to do the mathematics this thing though. Because you're going to give the man stress. Somebody like me at my heart to marry somebody like you. Don't you know that I can't plug electric at the same time?
I beg you.
One how to disconnect and one to work.
You are beautiful. But mind you, you are beautiful.
I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Oh, someone is jealous.
She's very beautiful.
Yes. And don't say it. And jealous the warrior. She's beautiful.
You don't deceive this girl, Abby. You're deceiving her. Make I tell you, if you go to do a shower walk, they will pay you according to your height. If you don't know, I'm telling you, leave this one. No, this one is a retired outfit. If she can't go put her business, they will pay you according to her height. You won't make money. I'm telling you.
But you and your sister cannot do a shower walk.
You don't do. I'm not there for this problem. You don't do.
No! Allow us to talk to him.
Let's go.
If you come out the same, come in number.
Look at you.
If I drag you enter inside this house, if you come out the same, come in number.
You think if I climb you will survive it?
You're my grandmother. I won't survive it. You're my grandmother. You will deal with me like a child. But enter here if I don't deal. If you come out yourself, come in now. Look at your face like a rampant cloth. But no.
She will not enter. I will not enter. You will not enter. She will not enter. You will not enter. You did it. You don't deserve anybody. Go.
My face dey rampant cloth.
At all, my life.
I
don't even know how long once I accepted this
No amount of foundation that can straighten your face. You're not already plastered.
You are looking beautiful.
I am looking beautiful.
Give it to him.
God, I wonder where you wash your pants in the side of it. Your pants will last more begin socks. Idiots.
Look at you.
Making noise.
Don't mind this.
Nothing.
I'm coming. I'm cooking.
Nobody found us.
Who is that?
It's me. Is your brother around? I want to see your brother.
Why? Please leave.
Masnachi, I came to see your brother. I don't know if he's around.
Why does he need to leave? If he comes and he finds you, he's going to kill you. Let's go.
Uma, calm down. Calm down. This is a different reason.
Please go.
Calm down. Just help me and check if your brother is around.
I can't check. Don't you very much.
You again. You had every country now to come. You get my house to come after all my warning. You didn't have something. Okay, let me go.
Okay, GK, I beg. I can't beg you.
You came to beg me?
Yes. Okay, GK, I beg. I can't make you forgive me. Because yesterday when I sleep, I get one terrible dream. When you use knife, they pursue me. So I came to appeal. I beg. Forgive me. I will not come anywhere around your house again to come and see your sister. I beg. Biko.
Okay, in your dream you saw me chasing you with a knife. That is the reason you came to apologize. So if you had not dreamt to where I was chasing you, you will not come and apologize. By the way, you said that you will not come to my house. Anywhere to my house to come and
you will come your house again.
Okay, what about on the road? So you only apologizing for house. You didn't apologize for the road. Meaning that after apologizing for house, you go catch my sister for road.
No.
Let me tell you, Opion or whatever you are called. Whoever that gave you the idea to come and apologize to me, after here now go and kill goat for that person.
Why?
Make sure, because the person saved your life. The person did you a very big favor.
Wow.
As you're killing goat, make sure you top it with a bottle of palm wine. As I'm talking to you, I have already made up my mind to go to my village to go and meet Atakata Abo.
You never reach that level, I beg.
You don't pass, so. Okay, now it has passed that level. What they kept me here, well, the reason why you see me here is because my transport never complete. It's left to 150. If you can borrow me 150 now, the next morning you see me in my village. Atakata Abo, if I had gone to him and he gave me what he would have given to me, by now you know if you won't recognize yourself. You hear me?
Okay, JK, I beg, forgive me. You no go see me for your house again. I beg.
No,
I'm not stopping.
So who tell you you know to come my house again? Why did you emphasize on the house side? Why didn't you talk about other road, other side, joints, road, what is your? Let me tell you. In fact, even if I'm going to forgive you now, it is not going to be 100% forgiveness. In fact, what I'll give you is forgive. I'll take it away.
What is the voodoo?
I will use them against you when you misbehave. I will use the voodoo against you when you misbehave. So, as you are here now, close one eye, open one. Because anything can happen at any time. You hear me so?
I don't hear you.
Get out, go to your compound, go to your door. Go to your door, go to your door. Nonsense. So like say you don't see me for your dream now, where I use cutlass to chase you, would have continued with what you are doing. Vagabond. You the mad, you the crazy, you the bongo cigar. You are a Nicholas. Or Nicholas. You are wonderful.
Them go give you trouble, and if you give them walk, oh, you are in a big trouble. No give them chance, oh, else that go make you dance, oh. The GK and the sister, they are full of anger. Day in, day out, na so wahala. Compound wahala, oh, tenants in danger, oh.
Oga mechanic. Oga mechanic. Oga mechanic, oh. What's the problem? You are sleeping. Are you okay?
Boss, how can I help you?
Well, I came with respect to my car you repaired.
What happened to the car?
I drove it home and I discovered that the fault became even worse. Just once that I drove it.
So what do you make I do?
I need you to follow me to my house so I can repair it.
Because
the car cannot move.
You decrease? You need me to follow you to your house to go and repair the car as your boy as waiting. When you carry the car, come here when I fix it. You know work. Nobody drive the motor to go to your house. So which one be I should follow you to your house as your pikin have been waiting?
I am telling you that the car cannot move again. Let's just go so you can repair it. That's very simple. Why are you making it as if we have an issue?
No, not only issue. Now pikin, we are having pikin. Oga, get out from this place, go where they go. Which one be he just come? You see, he come here now, as he comes inside they sleep. Common sense is not supposed to tell you say this man is sleeping. Make you leave him, make a rest. You wake me up from sleep now, only to tell me say your car no do this one. Other man they get sense sometimes. Come on here.
You cannot tell me to get out of. I brought my car for you to repair, and if it's still faulty, you need to get. What are you okay?
First of all, you say you brought your car. When you brought them, I know what come. Were you the person that paid for my apprenticeship? Where is make I follow go out?
No, they vex my boss. Wetin happen? Now you dey too early for all this rubbish.
Now, second, because your car, it dey 40. You bring 40 car for me to work.
Are you not supposed to follow me to the house so you can repair the car?
No. We no dey do that one for here. We no fit follow you go your house. So we no dey do home service. You go carry your car come here. Now wetin you go do?
Walking problems, personified danger. Trouble on 2 feet, like a fatal stranger. Ejike and the sister, they are full of anger. Compound wahala, oh, tenants in danger.
You cannot tell me to carry all that room. Tell me that my car is still faulty and you're talking nonsense. What's the problem?
Hey, this one no mad.
Okay, are you going to pay for the towing van? Are you going to pay for the towing van?
You pay for the wire for? What? Serious one? No, where you been hit your hand before? For my own footstep. Okay, I don't blame you. You just come out go shave. So to sample your shaving, your newly shave, to sample and I come carry and come meet me for me to see your shave. You get mine. Okay, see, make I tell you. Simply because you meet me for mechanic workshop, no me say I know the craze. If you decrease, I decrease. Which psychiatric you come up from? I'm asking you. Because when you carry this motor come here, you carry and come and work and you drive and go your house. Now your motor spoil. You want me to come? By the way, if I follow you go your house, go work. How much you go pay me for outside the work?
Did you just call me a person?
I don't call you, that is what you are.
Listen, if you had put this guy in order, I wouldn't be here making any trouble. And you must do it well. If you like, just hold on, wait to this one. I don't want to tie me.
Now, Salama been asking you. Now, Salama been asking you. Clean. Oh, yeah, Salama been asking you.
Both of you have not seen the last of me.
The last of
Let's bet.
You get last.
Let's bet. You get last. Don't see me. You are first and last. Let's bet. You will do this car. You will pay it. Just what I tell you. Let's bet. Let's just try. You will see me.
Check it, look. See how in the work.
You know why I let it talk again? That guy be like, who get epilepsy? He was talking. At the point, I thought he was dancing break dance. I said, no music they play. So the next thing I called, I said, if you had continued this argument with this guy now, if I don't fall here now, and they will say, don't commit murder. You understand?
But how good they do in car now?
Which car?
In car.
Na to run.
You know say na rubbish too for that car. You know fix am.
But when I tell you to make you clean carburetor, why go the leave carburetor where you go the clean radiator?
No be the oil. I use the oil for the carburetor.
You use oil for carburetor. They use oil for carburetor. No be crazy.
Na water.
Na liquid. They use spirit for carburetor. My God tell me say na spirit. I been na wetin?
Sure say na spirit. I been na water.
Anyway, come on. This motor, eh? You have seen this motor. Like you give me tough time. Be aware this girl. Masinachi.
Where is he?
Wait, this girl bring something for me now. Masinachi!
Come on. Masinachi is here. Come on, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Bring it.
Come here! It's okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Feel at home.
Sir?
Feel at home. This is the man.
Yeah, this is the man.
Okay, the man that insulted you. Yes, this is the man.
So this is the man?
Of course.
Okay, sir. How are you? I'm good, sir.
You look very good.
It's just that I'm sweating. I don't expect.
Shut up.
Yes, sir.
So you're the one that insulted my Oga after spoiling his vehicle? No. Are you stupid?
I mean, to mother-in-law. You understand? Oga, you go. No, me insult. How can I get? Who sent me? I didn't insult. Can you tell him to? This bulala is. Can you keep the bulala? Shut up and talk. Yes, sir. Yes, I will talk. Sir. So that Oga came actually. He said his motor is bad. So now Oga come. So why is he holding it like a ruler? So keep your hand down. Thank you. God bless you. Don't make. Oh, sir. So now Oga come. So Oga can say motor spoil. So I now was repairing. As now I got finished to repair the motor. So Oga can carry the motor go. Small time Oga can come say the motor no it spoil again. I say okay, maybe you know. Oga, why is he doing it? Oga, why is he doing it? It's entering my ear. So now I say Oga, okay, go bring the motor come. Let me fix it again. Don't pay me free, you know. So I know it's
wait, Oga,
sir.
So you and your sister have the mind to call my Oga mad person?
I don't even have it.
An army officer, an army captain.
Okay,
a captain in Nigerian army.
Hey. Okay, that's the way you come. You don't even give me sign say behind me. No, shut your mouth, sir. Come on, shut up here.
So you're even lying on top of it.
Sir, I know insult her. I know insult her more. I know, am I mad to insult her? I don't even have a sister. Let alone insult. I don't insult her.
No problem. For lying against me, your punishment have increased.
Sir, to wait.
Everybody will not be as you think. I don't have pride in me. So you're in trouble. Punish this man.
You say?
Yes, sir.
No, he said you should permit me. I say you should permit me.
Do you know what they call wow? Jump like wow. Go down! Second, come on, go down, sir.
Chai.
Go down!
Chai.
Spot. Go down!
Chai.
Chai. Up. Go up. Down. And then go down.
Yeah,
go down!
I should go down.
Go down! Hold your yes. Hold your 2 years now. Go out of the course. Let's go. Go!
Sir.
Go!
Sir.
Go outside! Sir. Sorry! Come here!
Sir.
Come here!
Sir.
Go!
Sir.
Go! Sir! Move, sir! Move!
We are here to play.
Move! When you are done with him, punish him very well and bring him to the barracks.
Okay, sir.
Move! Go down! Go down!
Sir, I'm not waste time. That's one thing they give me, sir.
Go down! I said go down!
You're mad.
Go down! Go down!
Sir. Keep jumping.
Go down!
Keep jumping. Sir.
Come here, go down!
Sir.
Jump!
Sir.
Jump!
Sir.
Go! I said go down! Go down!
Sir.
Jump! Stop! Jump! Don't move over! Go down, stop!
Sir.
Stop there! Stop there! Don't move over! You follow us now to the barracks. Okay?
Sir. To the barracks.
Wait, smile! Smile! Fine boy! Do you like the Nigerian army? Do you like the army? I said, do you like the army?
Yes, sir.
Good! Follow us.
I like
barracks. Let's go! Move! Barracks! No! Bloody civilian!
I know.
You're a dead meat! Now go! Move! You're a dead vagabond!
I know, sir. I know, sir. Sir, can I want peace. I want to
Move! I move.
Sir, idiot. Sir, I'm sorry.
Come on, shut up. Hey!
Sir,
come.
Sir.
So you had the guts to spoil my Oga's vehicle and still insult him on top.
Okay.
Do you know how many years it took my Oga to become the Captain General?
Sir, I don't even know, sir. I mean, you didn't even give me.
Don't move over!
Yes, sir.
Come!
Shut up. Sir.
Move! How would you know?
Sir, how would you know? I want to. I don't complain. I want to please, sir.
You want to do what?
To the barracks.
Do you know Alison Pekin?
Yeah?
Alison Pekin.
Okay, the one from Amich.
Are
I know he's a popular man.
Are you? So do you know Alison Pikin?
And the one from is a popular man. No, who know him? I know him. He's a popular.
Have you been to Gadroom before?
Sir, what I want to go find here? I don't even
know. Do you know Alison Pikin?
I don't hear the man name, but I know him. No, I don't even know his.
When I deal with you today, yes, you will know the meaning of Alison Pikin. Move.
Let's go. Sir, I go have
Which kind of trouble with this now? Which kind of trouble with this? So this man, an army man. Hey! My brother don't return one chance today. Like I said, I go the rush go back out. Who I go call now? Hey, and they feel for my brother. Oh, look at rush.
Move. Move.
Sir,
after dealing with you today, any day you see an army officer, you will respect yourself.
Sir,
move.
Sir, please, I get malaria and typhoid. Now even yesterday I go do the test with the result.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry. Okay? Yes. When we get to the guard room, after drilling you and you go through rigorous training, your malaria and typhoid disappear.
Sir, they say I didn't medicine.
Move us.
Sir, medicine. They say I didn't medicine.
Every day when I go to send down in the army. So now you bloody civilian cost bloody civilian.
Move. Sir, they say I didn't medicine. They don't say I go bedroom.
No, the problems you have in this country. Move.
They say the solution.
They move them.
They say the solution.
I will see
malaria medicine.
Move. Move.
Sir,
keep moving.
Come and see what all of that done for me. Come and see what all of that done for us. Come and see what all of that done for me. If it is a human, I will give him God. Hey! Teresa! Come and see what all of that done for us. Come and see what all of that follow me dance. Come and see what all of that done. Follow me dancing. Follow me dancing first. Come and see what all of that done for us. Come and see what all of that done for us. Dance. Come and see what all of that done for us. If it's a woman, I will give him God. This is a breaking news. Bring your chair, make a wacky news. Hey! God has answered our prayer. This was sweet.
So, until when you laugh, you win American lottery.
Guess why, sir?
Who?
HK! HK! I say HK! Two soldiers were holding him, dragging him, beat. When I say beat now, they give him respect. They were spanned. You know how to pound him?
Yes.
The soldiers were pounding HK, hacking him. He saw me, but he was hiding his face.
Can't you mind your business? You saw him, can't you walk up past? Muscle talk, what's wrong with you? I told him that one day he will meet. Oh, you see your life? You see your life is back. Look at you. He's back here. I'm coming. Go.
Everything is everywhere. What happened?
You can't marry. They forbid you to marry.
Look at this place. Look at this place. Your mates are married. You are here saying rubbish. My brother, my sister. God, how can I see your own? When I told you that my God will fight you. You thought I was joking. How is market? You met with him. What did you get with him? This is you.
Let me see them. They beat this guy, yo.
No, you dey give am respect.
They beat am.
Say smacking, say pounding.
Lie.
Hey. It's mostly your neck they were just targeting. Look like say they give you different kind of slap.
Easy now.
Eh? And nervous. But you should be happy. You should be happy. Eh? You should be happy you came back alive. I heard of a story of a man that this army people carried. After dealing with him, the man died.
This story you are telling me now, is it better than you pressing this? Concentrate on my that other one that looks like a grown-up monkey. If you see what that boy did to me, he went to my waist and I was hearing quick. I said, did I kill somebody? What did I do?
Sergeant.
Are you adding or you're removing?
I'm
It's okay. It's okay.
Let me help you. If I don't
Okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Okay. But I don't worry. By the time I'm done massaging your body, if I give you these drugs, everything will subside.
In fact, you are done massaging, give me the drugs, let me take.
Are you sure?
Done. Yes.
Okay. Are you feeling okay? Like
I'm good.
Okay. The doctor said this drug will take 5 in the morning, 5 in the night.
Okay.
Just twice.
What did you tell him that happened to me?
I told him trailer jamming. There's no difference between those army men and trailer. Two FT army men hit you and trailer. It's the same thing. So I just told him that. Just told them it's trailer. It's the same thing.
He told the man it's trailer.
Yes.
He now said I should take 5 drugs.
It will help. Body relief, pain relief.
Try Masinachi throw. This guy medicine.
But you don't want to be okay. You take 5 in the morning, take 5 in the night, and this one too, you take 5. Making it 10.
I'm healed. I don't tell you they press people anyhow. It will give you up one. You know they have something.
What you go chop this night? Food no day for house.
Cut one part and chop.
Can't talk with that one now.
Cut one part and chop, and which one be that one? Look at you, Masinachi. Let me tell you, by normal, as a girl that you are, you're supposed to go to the village, harvest the cassava, grind it, go to the farm, gather 1 or 2 crops, and come back home, so that me and you will be eating. Don't depend on me always. Go, I bring this one, I bring that one. When you actually have farmland in the village, this thing.
You don't use your backyard to chase all our customers away. Nobody won't give us work again.
Masinachi, I don't even know if you are the cause of my problem. I'm tolerating you because you're my younger sister. Otherwise, I know well. Hey! Good day, sir.
Come straight up there. What do you mean by sirs? See officers.
Officers, good day, officers. Sorry, sir.
So why didn't you report our barracks as commanded by our Oga?
So I don't know what I chop. I can't go develop constipation. Constipation come from there. I enter malaria and typhoid. As I'm talking to you now, I'm sick.
He's sick.
Yes, combination of typhoid and malaria and
syphilis. He has been vomiting. He has been purging back to back.
Yes, back to back. Even from
vomiting this morning.
Yes.
You are not well?
I sick. You understand?
You are sick.
I'm sick and not well. Malaria and typhoid put together with syphilis. Sir, so my heart is doing me, and then my tummy is doing me.
What? Huh? Wait. You mean these guys belong to us?
This man now lies.
Go for him. I will deal with you.
Which kind of bad market will be this? Hey! Which kind of problem person don't enter? Which kind of problem person don't enter like this? Wait! Why these army people want my brother to come to the barracks? Why do they want him to come to the barracks? I'll follow this mechanic. I'll follow go near that thing. But see, See the kind of wahala they face. Every day person go to pass through one wahala to another. This kind of life, bro, this.
Chiki. Hey! Look at! What's he carry me? What's he carry me go begin to do evil? Why did I indulge again in evil? Eh? When? By the way, what did he carry this army man? Carry this army man, carry the whole of his body and came to my office to court. I swore with my life, I said, nothing ever go make me come across army. I don't even know, say me when they go to talk, say, nothing will make me come across army. Destiny has this thing that one day army will come my side to the point. And get my intent, say, make I come barracks. So I should come to barracks. What? Army when they say, I come barracks, come to do what in the barracks? As it is now. Also continues. Because I have to run away, otherwise, the time shall we here now, and I feel no survivor.
Walking problems, they will personify danger. Trouble on 2 feet like a fatal stranger. AGK and the sister, they are full of anger. Compound wahala, oh, they will tenants in danger. Now we shall walk, oh, but they never do. They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they get, we go chook our head, oh. As far as money they get, we go chook our head, oh.
Hello. Please, who am I speaking with? Customer. Oh, sorry, sorry that you did not find me in the shop. Yes, I also, sorry, say, you never see me for a very long time for sure. Actually, the reason we say, I know well, I guess more malaria and typhoid mixed with typhoid. Yes. It's okay, don't worry. By the time I'm okay, you will see me. Sorry, oh, thank you for understanding. Oh. I like not to touch that shop.
Oh, that was about to do.
No, nobody go see me for that shop.
After that hot chase, those soldiers get touched. I'm not going to that shop again. Look for something else to do.
I don't go there again. No. My leg never touch that shop again. Not after those chase where those idiots call themselves and they want me to come there again.
They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they get, go chook our head. As far as money they get,
put this in the pomo, the indomie and this in egg.
No, I like the fry.
Is that? The mighty one.
Okay, if my mighty one, make am two.
This one?
Yeah, that one too. Yeah. Pepper.
Cameroon pepper, yes.
Cameroon pepper. And why would you for Nigeria they chop Cameroon pepper? If you need Cameroon, you go chop.
No get Nigerian one.
You don't get Nigerian pepper? Okay, put Cameroon now. All this pepper. Now listen. Now one pot, one drum of Cameroon pepper. Nigeria own come. So I go there for Nigeria, go to chop Cameroon pepper. If you go Cameroon, who chop pepper?
Add Nigerian pepper.
Add Nigerian pepper. Then what's it again? Put the red oil. Use red oil to do that.
I don't know if you want to do it.
No, why red oil? I think I'm cooking. I'm
Come. Is this not the man Oga said he should report me to the barracks every weekend?
That is the idiot. Hey! He's the one. Hey! He's hey! Hey!
Yes, the
hey!
Cameroon pepper. You know them?
No. Hey! Is this not the man Oga said he should be reporting to the barracks every week?
This is the idiot. He's the one.
I don't understand. I'm the one. Wait, sir, who are you people? I don't even know now. You know them?
No.
So I don't even know now.
You don't know us?
No, I don't know now.
You were the one that we came to your shop, your mechanic shop, No, me and my wait. And your sister, you and your sister saw and ran away.
No, me and my sister, we just come from village. We never even take. So now we say make we come see the environment as it be.
Are you not a mechanic?
No, he's a vulcanizer.
I'm a fuck vulcanizer. I'm a vulcanizer. They fuck. So they fuck it. Anything. Me where they fuck. There's anything. Me.
This is the mechanic you also.
So my sister just told you that now I'm a vulcanizer, meaning that me as I'm talking to you.
Oh, that keep quiet. You are the one.
Okay,
stop lying. You are the one.
Wetin I go if na me I go take say na me. Wetin me?
I guess there's a confusion and there's a complication around. I'm
not a mechanic. Me wey just come. So the fuck. Myself don't think say I'm a fuck man. He said that.
Brother. I want us to talk. See, with the look of things, looks like we'll go back to our shop and continue our business. Let's go back to our shop and continue our business.
Masnachi, anything will concern that shop, no mention and come to me. No ever mention that shop, let alone telling me to go back to that shop. Because I cannot go back to that shop.
Alright, tell me. How do you put food on our table now? Because with the look of things, our food stuff, they are getting finished. And I'm sure you don't have any money with you.
Masnachi, don't worry yourself. I've thought about it. I came up with an idea of me and you driving a bus. You be the conductor, I'll be the driver. What do you think?
Conductor? Have you ever seen a woman doing conductor business before?
Even if it is a taboo for a woman to do conductor, even though it is not. Okay, which one will you prefer? That I go and hire another person as a conductor, and then if we make 3,000 naira, the person will steal 1,500. Will you rather prefer the person stealing our money? Or would you prefer to be the conductor and then all our money will be saved? Who knows? By the time we drive the bus for like 1 year, we'll be able to save enough money and then buy our own bus and become an organ of our own. Reason it from that angle.
So, the question now is, how do we get the bus?
As for that one, I have made 1 or 2 calls. I'm sure those calls, one of them will yield something positive. Please, go and get me those oranges. My mind is telling me that my vitamin C have left me. I can't even find my vitamin E. Sometimes my lips, my saliva used to dry. My mind tells me my vitamin C have left me. They tell me my vitamin C have left me, so bus driver, my sister conductor.
Shadow master!
Walking problems.
Shadow master!
Danger.
250 per person! 250 per person!
Like a fatal
Shadow master!
They are full of anger.
Yes, now
they go now.
They are into
which one you dey go? You dey.
just driving.
We're gonna go.
How much? 500.
No problem. How they go now? What if it doesn't get them now?
No dey shout. No dey shout. Abeg.
Go choke our head.
I get appointment now.
Shadow master.
I want to go. I don't get time to this one now.
Okay, I no go carry pen. What is that again? You dey mad?
Boss wey dey get.
See.
Boss wey dey get.
And if you give them one go, you are in big trouble.
You're mad.
They don't make you dance.
But all this was just when they didn't do that.
They are full of anger. They need day out now. na so wahala. Where them never do.
How much did they do? 11.5 plus the 3,700 we did here. You don't make enough money.
This outing we do today makes sense.
I tell you, if the analysis they be, that means before we go, before 6 months we go build, we go give me the money make I. No, bring make I add into this one. You must achieve the central bank. Keep money make I add into this one. Let's go.
I never talk today. You could give money for this job.
Me too, I don't chop. Let me hear you come up for. Come to your position. Come back to your position. See, along the road now, if you see combi now, comb something. We go carry us now. Make extra money.
We not go do night shift.
Eh?
We not go do night shift.
No, night vigil we go do. Look at you. That fuel. You later buy that fuel, Abi?
Yes, I buy am. E dey for boot.
You dey boot. It's okay. Okay. You dey for gallon, Abi?
Yes, e dey for boot. Yes, they go make it. We dey go house now. We want to do night shift.
We dey go house, but if you say.
Yeah, mother. What's your air? I will see those army men. Huh? I saw them today, but meantime I told them I cover my face. You don't see me.
I said, that I see the way they move on. No stop. I can see them. Not the real face. On. Let's begin.
You see, what did they always do outside? What did they always do outside? They know they did for their barracks.
I don't even know. But I know that those people, they're supposed to do Sambisa. They're supposed to be in Sambisa, fighting insecurity. When they were for road, I just pray say nothing again will ever make me, for this road when they drive like this, no could jam those people again. Nothing. When they go that way, we go away.
How much we make today? How much we make today?
The whole traffic is a whole counter. You never even counter. What's up for there? Don't worry. Let's go.
Okay, give me money for the party. Give me money for the party. Everybody don't take me, she remain you. See, whether you like it or not, life go must stay this compound. Give me the money, I beg. Now they collect the money for the party.
I don't understand. Comfort. This only money when see me now why they come out now. Now you begin to talk. Why you don't come last night? Come talk about this money. Why this? It's like you are looking for what? You don't look for me. Why will tell you, Abi?
What do you want tell me when you never tell me for this compound? I asked about not be today. We not say now she dey back. I be like today.
Comfort.
What's it?
If you don't respect my brother, respect this side. Something where you don't go fit achieve, you achieve.
Respect the kill you. Just more for look what Ghana. This a small eye.
Should be you talk. You never see Amadiana before because of our forefather. They don't see him.
No wonder. If they obvious, if they for your body now.
Sorry, forgive us. Our God of our ancestors, forgive us. Say we forget to kill fowl for you. You understand? Normally, every morning in this compound, we're supposed to kill one fowl, pour the blood for your body, for libation. You understand? But sorry, we have not done it. Let's go and buy the fowl. We are coming.
Give me all the money. Give me the 10,000. See, I'm poor single man. Ordinary 10,000 you cannot bring. You say you don't achieve something, but like you don't do what you don't achieve.
What do I do when I don't see you?
See this one, though.
I don't see you.
You don't flesh you. You don't come a poor single man. Are you married? You don't marry. Anyways, yes, you don't marry. Your husband did for a shrine. You understand? One of the gods who is your husband is in the shrine. You are a god in the form of human being. You came to see how you can order. Don't block my way.
Do you have wife?
Do
you have husband?
We are looking
Do you have wife?
We are looking for human being.
Yes.
Husband and wife.
Not oracle.
So go to where
The oracle.
you are the oracle. The female oracle.
He the answer to that question. You don't see yourself.
Your husband. Look at you. What's the difference between you and the four? And you are talking.
But my problem is say this small girl they look up to us. They talk this rubbish.
Really, they call small girl.
As short like this.
See, I go punch your eye.
She don't know.
I go break her.
I don't be your mentor.
You know what this is? You say that I talk. You say that I talk.
What is this?
No, I'm not. Imagine that shit. No, don't go there again. Look at it. You want us to begin to go and look for money?
Bring out the money, poor man.
It's okay.
Poor single man. Look at you.
Nothing doesn't go see for this compound.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
Look at his sperm like rejected deity.
Yeah. See deity they come in.
Come, bring that. And then, what did they give me? What if I say, for what? And then, give me 10K and come over here.
But just bring and make me avoid our hand.
It's okay. The gods have spoken. Let it be as the gods have spoken. I've said. How much did they there?
1.5.
3,000. 4,000. 5,000. 6.
Make am 12.
7. 8. 9. 10.
If you have 20 or 10, make sure you buy sweet for me.
The ancestors know they live sweet. They drink
Nonsense. No pay now. No pay. Idiot. That is big. Poor single man. Look at this Amanda is talking. Like my brother. My brother. Look at you. See. You're not giving them now.
See how you can be like with the doctor.
Is it all these people that are created in the image of feeding bottom? Respect them.
What do you talk?
I don't talk to you.
What do you talk?
I didn't talk to you.
Look at him.
It's okay.
Idiot.
Sorry. This is why they tell you now. If you doubt them, any day when this girl wash her pants, go see him. You could send us more picking socks.
I don't see a pint.
I dey wash my pants for long day.
Is that for what? For where?
For long day.
You go knock their engine.
Wash my pants.
You go knock their engine. Let me tell you. It was when you're watching person.
Comfort. Why are you tearful now?
It's Ejike and that are tiny Joe's sister.
What happened? What did they do to you?
There is no insult I did not receive from Ejike, that monkey, and that is tiny sister. That keep leg like toothpick.
Talk to me now. What actually happened?
I went to tell Ejike about the NEPA bill and Ejike started raining insult on me, reminding me that I'm not married.
Hey, wait. Is it because Ejike said that you are not married that you are crying? You now, that one no reach make you cry now. Hey, so for stop this. You are not the only lady who is not married in this country. Me said that he's talking to you. I'm not married. The stupid Ejike that is vomiting nonsense from his mouth. He's not married. His sister, she's not married. So what are you saying? That's why that stupid man.
Report Ejike to the landlord. Ejike must pack from this house or I'll pack out.
No, you are not the one to pack out. It is him, Ejike, that is going to pack out. Ejike, are you married? Useless man.
Come beat him.
Money. Oh, I say, pay change my 800, Daddy.
Yes. Give me change.
Madam. What is this? What kind of money be this one?
This is what I have. Just give me my change.
You don't mind? Which kind of stuff that one? Madam, give me better money, John. Which kind of
It's only what money I have, though. Unless if you want me to go with the money. At least, thank God, self.
Thank God, say with you.
Now, you don't want to collect the money, so...
Baby, I say, come on.
Yeah, see, I don't want to fight with the man. You don't want to fight with you. Give me my bag.
What is it?
Look at this one. See the kind of money she come carry the money where I carry the money.
Yeah? Man, see the money. Madam, if now you somebody give you this kind of money, you collect them.
Oga beg, this is the only money I have. You can use it and buy fuel.
Which fuel?
You don't want.
Yeah?
You go use the money buy fuel.
I don't want fight you. I don't fight you.
Buy which fuel? Now you get the filling station.
How?
Madam, give me my bag. Give me my bag. I don't want to fight with you. Give me my bag.
I don't understand how people do.
I don't fight you. I don't fight you. What's happened?
Leave. Madam, carry our wahala, they go. Leave.
Better one how? Give me my bag. They go.
I don't go. Now the motor no one go. Me, I want go. Now the motor.
They go.
I want go. Now the motor. I never want go. Hello, the motor no one go. I want to go. I want to go. Mama, I see them.
I see them.
Hey,
that one na bad luck.
Very big bad luck. I don't even know what they carry to go and spoil our business for us. All they supposed to mind their own business. Oh boy,
What did they do your break? What's happened?
I'm not going to do.
Sure say buy fuel for this car though.
I buy fuel though.
I'm saying no be you those are 1,000 naira fuel.
How come? No. Not be 1,000 naira.
Hey.
Like the carburetor when they get leakage.
Then when now what's up? No go spoil this car. This boss where would they take manage our life?
No. Like the carburetor don't get leakage. You have to carry and go vulcanizer. But then you have to carry the thing go vulcanizer. But then so that they go fuck up.
Small. Make I help you driver.
Hey, sir.
Ejike and his sister Ejike and his sister You give them one them go give you double. And if you give them work you are in a big trouble. No give them chance else they go make you dance Ejike and his sister they are full of anger. Day in, day out, na so wahala. Compound wahala, they dance in danger. Walking problems, personified danger. feet like a fatal stranger. Ejike and the sister, they are full of anger. Compound wahala oh, ewo tenants in danger. Now wish I walk oh, but them never do oh. They are into mechanic oh, they are into bus driving. As far as money they there, we go chook our head oh. As far as money they there, we go chook our head oh. Ejike oh, and the sister oh. Ejike oh, and the sister oh. You give them one oh, them go give you double. And if you give them work oh, you are in a big trouble. No give them chance oh, else they go make you dance oh. Ejike and the sister, they are full of anger. Day in, day out, na so wahala. Compound wahala, oh, ewo tenants in danger, oh. Which kind walk, oh, where them never do, oh. Now which kind walk, oh, where them no sabi. Jack of all trade, master of none. Jack of all trade, master of none. They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they there, we go chook our head. As far as money.
Relax. Get my money. You go move now. Get my money. Just give us some money. Give my money. Give my money.
Just take it, please. You know what you have? Just give them.
But
at least when I don't go halfway, when I collect half money.
No, don't touch me again. Give my money.
Troublemaker.
Give us. You no. Give us our give me my money now. Now 150 worker.
Give them. See this one.
Give my money now. Give me our money now.
You good?
This one.
See this one will be like Atom, shut up. See, as you look yourself, you know your man will tell you be like envelope when no good. Process.
This said, why you not take this car before you come out?
Not be you come out for house. Why are you talking as if I bewitched the car? Not be you come out for house.
Can't buy no this man. Now only 100 naira we don't make crowd today. What will be this?
Now to find a way to fix this boat, so we'll continue our journey.
Which money?
Eh?
Which money you go use fix am? Now only 100 naira.
Open the bonnet of this one to make I see what that is. Eh?
Take bonnet now, make you know what they do.
Open the bonnet to make I see what that is. Press that place, open that bonnet. Open that thing now.
Take now.
Press that place.
So you said we are owing the other one. Call the other one. No, we go look for who.
We dey own the two. The last one wey repair our car, finish, you won't call them again.
I will just look for another person I call. This motor go sleep for you.
Come make sleep for you.
Masinachi.
Waiting.
You said before I go make you sleep for you.
But the find how you go take fix this thing, I beg. Find how you go take fix it.
Find out how I go take fix am. Are you not here to assist me? Who tell me make I find out that
I go use my teeth fix am.
Ejike, I don't like this thing you're doing though. Ejike, I don't like Ejik. Ejik.
You know am. You know am.
Frank! What are you doing here? Frank! Look at Frank! Frank! Frank, how come? It's one of my cars. It's one of... Look at Frank, it's one of your cars. Yes. Frank is... What are you doing now? No, my motor, I don't even know this motor. Sometimes it will just come, you stop here and begin to quarrel. Oh, yeah, no, this. I say, are you sure the engine is okay? No, there are any problem there. Frank, this is my younger sister. Yeah, Frank, how are you? Yeah, very okay. How are you? Frank was my friend when we were doing our boy. Back in the days, so we were big friends. Look at Frank, for a long time. I am happy to see you. You said this is one of your cars. Yes. Look at Frank. I'm going to one of my hotels. You go to one of your hotels? Yes. Life knows you. I am happy to see you, Frank. After many years. You mean you are a bus driver or what? Yes, so sometimes the bus they drive me yourself. You don't buy the hotel, sometimes the bus and they drive me. You understand? So I don't know. No. Yes, no, yes. Okay. It's okay. Take my number. He said, we need to see that at all. Take my number. Honestly, Frank, we need to see that at all. Call him. 080-3848 3748. Yes. Just call me. Call me by 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Yes, I will call you. Hey, Frank, I'm happy to see you alive.
Sir, good afternoon. Welcome. Sir, you never chopped.
You don't care. Frank, it's okay. Don't worry yourself. I'll see you.
You never chopped today.
I'll see you, Frank. I go. Frank, I go.
I'll go sit down.
Frank. Frank. Hey, wait. What's the problem? You don't care? Frank, go. Don't worry. Somebody, you know Frank? Which one? Me and so? Masinachi.
See money. You never touch the dead. I don't get money. If it's dead, I think you give us money now.
You know who Frank be? You just see Frank in the time and say, we'll never chop. That's why I want to disgrace me for public. Can't you protect me small? Don't give me small protection for public. You disgrace me. Can you Frank tell me how you want to chop?
He don't go now.
I'm a soon upon Anya. I'm a pill. Come, let's see. I don't know the better water. You said? I don't know the better water. Master, you know, yeah. Okay, as from there they go. From there the glass.
You be bad luck. Where you dey when your mates dey make all this kind of money? See, Frank. You dey very poor. Where you dey? See now, so for all those kill me for here.
Masinachi, I never train you reach where you go marry big man. No, I never train you reach where you go marry big man. Make money dey come. What is your problem? Go and look for water, make you pour inside this radiator.
Which water?
Which water?
See God sent, where God come our way. Come pursue am.
Frank na your friend?
Poor man wey get pride, you get pride.
After go na you Masinachi. Hungry don dey hungry you.
Wetin happen? You just dey waka up and down. Wetin happen abeg?
Masinachi, Nde gwelem chandom. Nde gwelem chandom. Masinachi, these people have violated me. My phone, they have violated my phone.
Your phone?
I'm telling you. I'm telling you that, let me tell you, in this life, don't trust anybody. Don't you ever in your life trust anybody because anything can happen at any time. Masinachi, they have violated my phone. Phone Magala.
How come now?
How come? If not, how come that came to come? Masinachi, first of all, I have to put the blame on you. Because now you this morning I don't know best say, Masinachi, come let us go to work. You tell me say you're not going to work, that you're very tired. If you had followed me to work, Masinachi, my phone wouldn't have gotten missing. Okay, how did it happen? I was combing, then I saw a pregnant woman. This woman, when I stopped, she was struggling to enter motor. I said no, let me help this woman. While I was trying to help the pregnant woman enter the motor, there was a boy behind me. The boy was trying to do buru. He was trying to, I said, oh boy, take it easy. This is a pregnant woman. Console yourself. I did not know that when I was telling the boy to console himself, the boy was already consoling my pocket. Now the woman entered. When the woman entered, Masinachi, what happened? As I dropped the woman, for the woman to come down, when I reached my destination, I said, let me call you on phone to tell you what's up. I'm coming home for you to make Gary. Put hand in my pocket to bring my phone. Disappear. My phone vamoose.
But I'm not surprised. You should forget yourself. So of course I'm going to forget that you kept your phone in your pocket. Eh? Why will you keep your phone in your pocket? Knowing the kind of job you used to do. Why are you careless?
Master, are you not supposed to be blaming yourself on this matter?
How is it my fault? Eh?
How is it your fault? That I told you come let us go to work. You refuse to go to work with me. You're telling me I used to forget something.
Now me put your phone for your back pocket. Now me put them.
Master, you should be ashamed of yourself. Your elder brother is telling you that your mistake had made my phone lost. Instead of you to blame yourself or even sympathize with me, you're telling me.
What you go do now?
Do you know the worst part?
What
It is not only that my phone got missing, all the contact lost. And the Frank who told me to call him, I'm telling you, Frank who said I should call him. Now, how do I call him?
Why do you waste time to call him? See your destiny helper. You get pride though. You get pride.
I don't understand.
How poor man go dey get pride? Eh? The person they beg me call him, you no call him. It's not your phone don't lost.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're normal? Because I say you're normal. I didn't tell you say my phone don't lost. You tell me to call. Okay, maybe you should give me one part of your breast. Let me use and photocopy my SIM card and then call Frank. Are you okay?
You know you.
How will I call Frank without my phone? When you gave me that number, I saved it inside that phone, and the phone is gone. You're telling me to call Frank.
You not save the number on your brain.
No. I saved it inside my manhood. No, I saved it in my manhood.
Try. Why didn't you call him since? Why were you wasting time?
That is not the Masinachi, you have to blame yourself.
I don't do anything. Which kind of life be all this one now? Small city destiny helper when God
you don't
call the man.
No, Richard, here on the road. I don't want people to look at me and you now. Enter motor, let's go.
Don't touch me again.
Enter motor, let's go home. By the time we reach home, no, enter motor, Masinachi. Let us go home and discuss this thing. Because it's like, enter motor.
Food, no, they have to. Make.
Food, no, they will.
How far now?
Frank.
Eh? I think.
Yes, sir.
Now, how far now? You didn't come again.
I do. But if I tell you what happened, you don't go believe it.
What happened?
What happened is that, as you give me that number, my phone, I don't know what I go do. The phone can't go, they steal the phone from me. You understand? So now, I take it.
I've been calling you. I was expecting your call all the while.
The phone just lost, just like that, though.
So where are you heading to now?
Okay, now I go mechanic where they fix my motor.
You mean that motor is still giving you issues?
Yes, so the motor is still giving me small issues.
You know what?
Yeah.
We have to go there together, so we'll sit down and talk. Yes.
Let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
But Should I enter?
Enter. No, come, let me back you while I enter.
Let's go.
If I enter, I'll carry you for back. Enter.
And his sister, Ejike, and his sister, you give them one, them go give you double. And if you give them walk, you are in a big trouble. No give them chance, else they go make you dance. Ejike and the sister, they are full of anger. Day in, day out, now so wahala. Compound wahala, tenants in danger. Which kind walk, where them never do. Now which kind walk, where them no sabi. Jack of all trade, master of none. Jack of all trade, master of none. They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they get, we go choke our head. As far as money they get, we go choke our head.
There's nothing in South Africa.
I know.
They say I've been living in Germany for the past 3 years now.
Are you serious?
Yes. And if I take you down to Germany, you will make it.
Yeah?
Me will be hustler.
Yes.
I go make am. So wait to Frank, make it not be like say I dey hear that.
No, I'm not joking.
You say you go carry me go Germany?
Yes.
Masinachi.
Yeah.
I'm a citizen there. I will take you to Germany. You make up money. There's nothing in South Africa.
Say man stand up, jump up, hit head for ground.
No,
just to show you how happy I am.
No, it's not, it has not gotten to that.
But for my joy to complete, what about Mercy? This is my sister, my conductor, my backbone. I don't know.
I can see that. She come and meet us there now. We travel together, then she will later come and meet us.
You say you come and join us there.
So if you take my brother there, later you come and carry me.
You come and meet us there.
Chai, thank you so much, sir.
Frank, whether I go use thank you. I don't even know what I go use say thank you.
Madam, do good. Round this table once more.
Yeah. I can run the table upon the visa upon the German way promise you go carry me go. You see they say round up the table.
There's no problem.
Man, no go drink my visa money. It's okay. It's okay. Frank say feel at home. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
Okay. Can mix it with coffee. Okay. Should I still bring fresh fish?
You got fresh fish?
Yes, sir.
Fire me that one. Fire me that one. Now that one me I want to. Fire me that one. Fire me that one. Now that one I want to. Fire me that one. I say fire me. Ma, there is good news.
What is it?
Ma, there is good news. I just got a SMS man from the embassy. They said my visa is out.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, Ma, the joy is overflowing. Hi, I don't even know where to base my happiness and joy at this point in time. That's what my enemy planned for me. Tim has turned it around. See, what it means is that in the next 1 week now, I'll be leaving this country.
So, wait, are you trying to say you're traveling next week?
Next week, oh.
So quick.
I am telling you so fast. I can't even express my joy. I don't even have to.
I'm going to be.
Stop this thing you're doing now. Stop it. I have told you. The moment I arrive Germany, I will send for you immediately so that you can come over. Stop this thing you are doing.
Okay, I'm going to miss you.
No, I'm missing you already. As I'm talking to you, I'm missing you. What you're going to do is you go to the village and stay with Mama. The moment I arrive Germany and balance, I will send you money to fix your passport so that you can join me in Germany.
You don't have to worry yourself. Oh? See, what you have to do now is you need to start learning how to speak with Aboki, the exchange person, because I'll be sending you money. So what you need to do now is learn how to speak. Hey, Aboki, how much is the rate? No, now I'm trying is 2,000. Last week I changed 2,500. Aboki, you're going to add, you understand? And then after learning that one, you now learn how to speak to Yibo. But once you see a Yibo man, he say, Eyo.
Eyo.
Yes. And then when the Yibo man talk, he say, I'm going to tell you something.
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 Eyo.
Eyo.
Yemoan.
Yemoan.
You don't reach there. If you're in Germany, as I'm talking to you. Hey, Masinachi. Hey.
Which one now?
Yes. Ay, bata. Bota o.
Yes.
How are you?
Brother Jike.
All of a sudden, have you ever done that? It's like, how do you open that?
Not true. They pack everything. Hey! Comfort. This world is full of surprises. Ordinary Ejike, ordinary mechanic, common driver, boss. Now I'm going to Europe. Hey!
My sister.
Hi.
No one knows tomorrow. But wait though, how manage?
Myself, I'm confused. We follow the bother him now.
You go confused for your life. You know say you be bad person. Now you cause am, now me for go this Europe. You can't make me insult my destiny helper.
What do you mean? You won't make Ejike begin to knock you?
If you knock me, now you knock. Now you knock.
Comfort. Now see you there.
You be bad person. Comfort, you no go better for you. You no go better for you. I'm going to leave you for this company.
Ejike even love me past you.
Ejike talk and say you be a shower. Nonsense.
But my Ejike love pass me.
You no go better for me.
Walking problems, personified danger. Trouble on 2 feet, like a fatal stranger. Ejike and the sister, they are full of anger. Compound wahala tenants in danger. Now we shall walk what them never do. They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they get, we go chook our head. As far as money they get, we go chook our head. Ejike and the sister Ejike and the sister you give them one them go give you double. And if you give them work you are in a big trouble. No give them chance else they go make you dance Ejike and the sister, they are full of anger. Day in, day out, now so wahala. Compound wahala never do. Oh, now which kind work oh, where them no sabi. Jack of all trade, master of none. Jack of all trade, master of none. They are into mechanical, they are into bus driving. As far as money they get, we go chook our head. As far